happy birthday. Enjoy your day at mag-iingat ka dyan palagi. Onting tiis na lang, makakaraos din tayong lahat. So, work lang ng work hanggang sa mamatay! So, Tita Malu, lagi mong tatandaan na huwag kang magpapalupig sa mga taong mukhang kuliglig. Eme! So, Tita, babatiin ka ngayon ng friend ko sa WeChat. Okay, Adi, say, greet my auntie.
Happy birthday, Andy.
So, ayan. Adi!
Happy birthday, Andy.
Ano ba yan? Ayusin mo naman. Say,
Happy birthday, Andy.
so, yun lang, Tita. Enjoy your day. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye!
Hi ate, happy birthday and stay as beautiful you are and happy you are. No matter what happened, I will always love your family and my family. I love you.
Kay Tita Malu, happy birthday. So, yung wish ko ngayon is sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo and stay safe palagi. I miss you, Tita. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Malu! I love you!
Hi, Tita Malu. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Malu. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Malu! Shop na!
Happy birthday, Tita Malu.
Happy birthday, Malu, sa hipag kong maganda. At kailan naman tayo kakain? Namimiss ko na yung mga banding natin. Wala na akong masabi. Kundi, happy birthday.